Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix this copy of Windows is not genuine on Windows 11. So guys, you have to follow just 3 steps to resolve this problem. Guys, if you purchase your Windows 11 license and still you are facing this error, so you can fix easily. Just open CMD. Now run as administrator. Now guys, you have to type this command slmgr space slash REARM, then press enter. So type this command and press enter. So it will fix this error. Now just you have to restart your system. So thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.